My name is Jeanette Arata, and I graduated in 1987 with a computer science degree from Oregon State. I was incredibly lucky to be on a foreign assignment based in Thailand. So I had great opportunities to work and visit China, Vietnam, Myanmar. I loved interacting with the local people, getting to know, what Chevron's investment was doing for them personally and also for their country. The thing I love about engineering, it's all about accumulating knowledge and being curious and asking questions. And you see that with the students, so it's really energetic to be here. Well, I think OSU just it's such a big school and it has such a variety, whether it's engineering, whether it's College of Business, both of which are near and dear to my heart. There's a lot of opportunity here and you really can come to school and figure out when you're here, kind of what your next steps are. I think for students, it's not so important that you plan your career. You don't have to have a 20-year vision when you're in school. Just find the things that are interesting to you and plan the next couple of steps. And there's always forks in the road and you'll have to make those decisions when you get there. But make sure you just get the base skills, which you'll get at Oregon State, and that really sets you up for success.